Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the Android Studio project. Enable Java 8 compatibility and confirm the module uses Gradle. Add Retrofit, OK-HTTP, and the JSON converter dependencies to build. Gradle, then sync. Once done, declare Android. Permission: Internet in Android manifest. XML so network calls work. Make sure to choose matching versions to avoid conflicts. You'll want to also set up an HTTP logging interceptor for debug builds. That helps inspect requests and responses while you proceed to implement API interfaces. Next, you create the data models that map to JSON, use the same field names or at serialized name for different keys. Then define a retrofit interface. Annotate methods with @get, @post, @body, @query as needed. Instantiate Retrofit with a base URL and add the JSON converter and a customized OK-HTTP client, include timeouts and a logging interceptor. Once done, call Retrofit. Create your API class to get the implementation. Make sure to run network calls off the main thread using enqueue or Kotlin coroutines if available. Finally, you perform network calls and manage responses. Use call. Enqueue to run requests asynchronously and inspect response. Is successful before using response. Body. If the call fails, read response. Error body and map error codes to user messages. Once done, update UI on the main thread and cache results if appropriate. Make sure to cancel calls and on destroy to avoid leaks. Troubleshooting tip: if responses are null or 400/500, verify base URL, ends with /, inspect interceptor logs, and confirm JSON models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.